Hi everyone, Deb here from Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More. I have ordered the Soft Flex Next Mystery Design Kit and I received it. It is called Pretty as a Peacock Design Kit. I don't know if there's still any available because they were going pretty fast, but you can check. And here's why I got it. There's also this beautiful strand that comes, well, you have to buy separately, and it was $10.49. However, when I got it, they were also having a special of buy $55 worth of items and get one free. So I got one for free, but I also bought one because that helped me get to the $55. And then the only other thing I bought to get there is a tiara cast rhodium plated magnetic clasp, and they're hammered and antique brass. Now I've already used the brass rings I had, so yeah, maybe I should have got more of those, but I still have the silver color rhodium plated ones, so that's a good thing. So anyway, I received this on February 4th and I'm filming it on the 5th, but you will not see it till February 24th, which is the last Wednesday of the month, because we are asked not to show this with anyone, share it with anyone, until they do their unopening or unveiling or whatever, which is at 6 p.m. Eastern on the 24th. It's usually the last Wednesday, and it's 3 p.m. Pacific, so that's 6 p.m. So this will go up at 6 p.m. on the 24th. So I am going to go ahead and open this and do the unveiling, and then by the time this goes up, I should hopefully have had a chance to do some jewelry. But give me a couple days after the unveiling just in case. So probably the weekend of the 27th and 28th, I'll share some projects with you. All right, everyone, I will be back in just a second and we'll open this together. Okay, everyone, welcome back. I have the kit. Well, these are the two separate strands we already talked about. So in the kit, it says you get dark blue lapis color soft flex beading wire. It's 49 strand, which is the most flexible in the beading wire, and it's medium diameter, 0.019. It's a really pretty blue. They call it dark lapis blue, but it's almost like a teal blue to my eye here in person, which is perfect. I'm kind of surprised they didn't give us the turquoise color that they have. I forget the name of it. But I'm happy with this because I like lapis a lot. I like turquoise a lot also, but it matches really well with this color of bead here. And it will match with these, which I'll get into in a minute. So then we get the crimp tubes. These are sterling silver 2x2 millimeter crimp tubes. And you get, I don't know, probably 15 or 20, I don't know. So you get 4 silver plated ear wires, a 12 millimeter silver plated lobster clasp, and this is a tiara cast antique silver temple clasp. Now many of Tiara Cast's products are made here in the USA. That's different. I like it. When I heard or saw temple on there, I was like, I'm not too sure, but I do like this. I don't know. I've never used one with that kind of a shape on it before, so we'll see what I do. Then it says teal bugle beads. These are really pretty. They're like a metallic teal, and they're about 5 or 6 millimeter in length each, so a whole strand of those. And then turquoise check glass turquoise matte teardrops. These are not, these are also known, I think, as pip beads. I really wasn't expecting them, but they're a flat bead. They're really pretty. It wasn't, when I saw matte teardrops, I was thinking, you know, not pip, but you get a lot more beads on this, so that'll make for some interesting designs. And then check glass turquoise twists. These are gorgeous. They have like a greenish finish on, so I guess that's a Picasso finish. They don't tell you that, but You can sort of feel the finish on them. I haven't seen these before, these twist beads. They're kind of cool. They look like a ribbon banner. So I got paper crafting on the brain. And then these are called check glass blue and brown faceted pears. They're tiny little pear beads. Aren't they pretty? They're more in line with like the lapis color. But they also have a finish on. They almost look like, actually, to be honest, they look more like sodalite, even though they're check glass, with some green finish on them. Really pretty. I like those. Alright, so those are the items in the kit, other than this design kit, pretty as a design elements, pretty as a peacock. And let me just put these back in the bag and move them out of the way. And then we will open the design elements and see what's in here. I just love these colors. These aquas and turquoise and greens together are so pretty, and one of my favorite color combinations. So, ooh, this looks interesting. Some really unique beads in here. These are ceramic. They have a sort of a large hole on them. Yeah, they're pretty. They'll go really nice with this, I think. I don't know. I have to play later. And then we have some pearls, which are pretty much that same color there. Love those. And some silver flower beads with the holes on the side. And two of these, they're like saucers with swirls on. They're nice too. Like those. I'm loving this kit. I am loving this kit. These are really sparkly crystal beads, and they're faceted. They're not flat. They're like a domed circle. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at the sparkle on those. And then we have some teardrops, also faceted glass. And they're sort of a gray blue, smoky blue, or aqua blue, but they're more opaque to them rather than translucent or transparent. So really pretty. Love those. And then we have a couple little turquoise or aqua tiny tassels. And these squares here, which are in a deep blue. They're glass also. So 4 of those. And then 4 of the same kind of color tubes, square tubes. And then it looks like 4 of these crystals that kind of match with the color of these other ones here. I don't know what they're like a smoky blue kind of thing. And then these, I'm not sure if these are, I guess they're glass. These are like an opaque teal color, but it's more of a green teal. And then we have some green oval, I think these are glass also, oval cylinder beads. They're pretty. They have almost like a cat's eye effect on them. You see that? These are really pretty. There's nothing in this kit that I don't like at all. I mean, I'm not a big tassel person, but there's only these 2 little ones, and I don't mind those little ones. And then we get some bead caps. Let's see if they're all the same. Yes, I think so. And there's, oh, maybe not. Oh, we got more bead caps this time, it looks like. So we got 3 of those. Sorry, I have hairs. 4 of those and 4 of the larger ones. So 4 large and 4 small. Now these are interesting. They have almost, oops, a flat top on them. Interesting. I have never seen those. They look sort of Tibetan or Oriental. And then, if I can get the cat hair away, we have, looks like 8 of these little teal turquoise faceted rounds. This is a gorgeous kit. I almost want to buy another one of this also. But I think I have some other kits in my stash already that have similar colors. But I'm going to try not to use them. I'll try and just use like one of these strands, or maybe both, I don't know, and all this goodness here, and even the beautiful bugle beads, and see what I can come up with in the month of February of 2021. So I hope you enjoyed that. By the time you see this, it'll be the 24th of February, 6 p.m. Eastern is when it'll air. And hopefully within a few days after that, I will have a video up and some pictures of what I've made with this beautiful kit and the additional strands that were available. I think the strands are sold out as of today, which is the 5th of February. I'm not sure about the status of this kit, but it's called Pretty as a Peacock. It's on the Softflex Company website. Not sponsored by them, but they've been very kind to me. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And they have a monthly kit. It's a monthly kit that you can purchase or not, depending on whether you think you like the looks of it. And you can usually tell this is a mystery. You don't know what you're going to get. But you can sort of get an idea of the colors because they usually have at least one coordinating strand, and they did this month. They had this one. Gorgeous strand. And I jumped on it right away because it's my fave, you know, turquoise. I love turquoise, and I love it with that green also. All right. Thank you for watching again. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.